ଅଶୀତମ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦିବସର ଅବ୍ୟବହିତ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଦେଶବାସୀଙ୍କୁ ସମ୍ବୋଧିତ କରିଛନ୍ତି ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି ଦ୍ରୌପଦୀ ମୁର୍ମୁ।
Sons and daughters of Bharat Mata, whose ideals guided our country to its freedom and its progress thereafter. Today, on the 14th of August, we observe Vibhajan Vibhishika Smruti Divas. We solemnly remember those lakhs of Indians who lost their lives in the violence resulting from the partition, or were forced to endure the tragedy of displacement. Lakhs of people had to become refugees due to communal violence and endure the horrors of partition. Yet, they did not give up their identity. At the time of our independence, along with the grave consequences of partition, was the extraordinary challenge of unifying more than 550 princely states with a newly independent India. Sardar Patel put an end to the system of kingdoms and integrated the princely states into our independent democracy. On behalf of a grateful nation, I pay my respectful tributes to the sacred memory of the sculptor of the unity of modern India, Lauh Purush Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. My dear fellow citizens, the Constitution framed by the people of India rests on the foundation of people's participation. The spirit of public participation has always been inherent in the people of our country, which is the cradle of democracy. With renewed vigor, our fellow citizens are promoting the same tradition of people's participation. National campaigns are being implemented through active participation of the people. This is an inspiring achievement of our democracy. Equality of status and of opportunity, along with the dignity of the individual, are among the cherished ideals of our Constitution. Today, people from ordinary backgrounds are making extraordinary contributions in many fields. This strengthens my belief that in today's Bharat, everyone can dream big and also realize such dreams. Our Constitution clearly lays down the responsibilities of the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. Giving voice to the aspirations of the people is the duty of their representatives in the legislature.